Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through a really quick installation video on how to install the Reolink Atlas PT Ultra and also the solar panel, which comes with a 4-meter cable. So basically the combination of the 20,000 milliamp battery in the unit itself plus the solar panel pretty much means, depending on the settings you use, you'll never have to charge it basically ever again. It should all be sort of taken care of. So we'll go for a quick walk downstairs. I'll show you outside the front of the property and basically how we go through the full installation process. And it's really simple and straightforward. There's a few little tips you need to be wary of in relation to just making it super easy. And thankfully with Reolink, they've covered basically everything really nicely with all the gear that they put in to make the installation pretty seamless and simple. And with this unit in particular too, if you're considering actually mounting it to a pole or to a tree, this unit basically allows you to do that. All right, let's go downstairs. All right guys, so we're at the front of the house now. So I'll give you a bit of a look around. So like I said, we front onto this big massive park out the front. And again, you can see my four-wheel drive parked over there in the distance. So generally my four-wheel drive lives there or lives there or basically lives in the driveway. And the last time it got broken into was basically in the driveway over here on my own property. And then there was another instance where it got broken into over there. So the plan is, and we'll turn ourselves around, is that basically this is the front of the house here. And what I'm planning to do is basically right up there in that eave, I'm going to mount it there to the fascia, and then basically along the eave I'll find a position to actually mount the solar panel. And with that I'll get really good coverage, because then you've got access down the side of the house there. We want to make sure that we're able to cover that. Parcels get delivered at the front door, so often you've got drivers coming through the front here or up the driveway, so you can see them, and then you can see sort of people, you know, constantly walking past the front of the house. Now we'll see how it goes. Obviously I've got a big park in front of us, but I don't think that'll be an issue. And at the moment it's winter, everything's going deciduous. Yeah, you can see again kids off in the distance, but I dare say that shouldn't be an issue, and I'll let you know if it is. But I think this is going to work really nicely. So again, let's just quickly show you the install and sort of how easy it is. Alright guys, so make sure you grab your screws with you. You've got your templates, you've got your camera, and you've got your brackets, okay? Look, initially there's only a need to bring this up here just to make sure that you're happy with where you're going to mount it. And for me it's very simple. It's plumb dead center. It gives me full view of everything I need to. It's got it's got the pan and tilt in this direction and this direction, and for me that's perfect. Okay, so that's where I'm going for it. So, and again, be careful. What I would do, again, just take it down just in case you drop it. So let's do that. And then what we're going to do is simply, this is going to get mounted in that position right there. Now you can just pre-drill off that if you want, but again, you've got the stickers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use that, center it all up. Perfectly centered. I'm going to pre-drill a hole. Peel it off. If you haven't fully peeled it off, that's there ready for the next use. Okay. You don't necessarily have to pre-drill, it just depends on what you're going into. And again, if you've just got a screwdriver, that'll be fine too. Okay. Alright guys, so that's all pre-done now. Like so. Pop up your antenna. And there's those two little screws. These two little babies that go in from the side. Again, very gently, preferably just use a screwdriver. Super gentle. Alright, that's perfect. And then the actual, where the cable plugs in is directly underneath here. Alright, let's go work out where the solar panel's going to go now. Alright guys, so as you can see there, it's super nice and neat, looks really good. So that was really nice and simple to install. And you can see basically where it's going to be. It's going to get full expanse, and we'll turn around. So literally, it's going to be able to see sort of everything, exactly everywhere I want it to see. Alright guys, and here we are nice and close. These are these two little screws on the sides I was telling you about. Okay, super simple. And again, we can take this off the lens now. Done. And the SD card is already in. So we're all ready to go. Nice and neat. Can't get much more neat than that. And then like I said, you've got the ceiling mount. So if we wanted to actually mount that, say, up under the eave up top, we could put a flat place there and do it there also, depending on your situation. Alright guys, so with this one here, it comes with this little rubber spacer, and again it says peel off the sticker and stick to the bracket. Okay, so the way it works is that's simply going to line up there. So what we'll do, we'll take the sticker off. Nice and simple. Get it all lined up. That's it. Get our 3 screws. Now this is what I was telling you before. So in relation to this, if you wanted to use these straps, and I'll show you how it works. So this is if you want to strap it to, say, a pole. Okay, so what's going to happen is you would have the strap there. Okay, then this bracket would go there, and then you would screw that off, fix that off, and then that allows that to be able to slide either way, and then you can actually then use that to strap it to a pole or strap it to a tree, depending on your absolute setup. But we don't need this today, we're going straight in. Okay, and again, as per before, we've got our little template as well.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink App and scan the QR code on the camera. L'app Reolink è scansionare il codice QR sulla telecamera. Bienvenido a Reolink. Por favor, instale la aplicación Reolink y escanee el código QR en la cámara.
Alright, so when you switch it on, it's going to keep going until you take care of it. So what we're going to do initially, we're going to go just here. So grab your sticker. Pop your sticker on. Alright, so what we're going to do there, that's mounted nice and simple, and again you work out your position in relation to the sun, and then basically we're just going to run the cable nice and neat under here. Alright guys, so that completes the installation. Look, it was super simple, very easy. And again, if you go back to the channel, you'll see the complete detailed review of the product, where you get to see all of the ins and outs, how the app works, the quality of the video, and all of the versatility in this unit. It is crazy, the amount of things it can do and the amount of functionality it has. So go back to the channel, check out that video, and just keep an eye out for future updates. I plan on doing quite a few in the year ahead. Alright guys, take it easy. Drop any comments down below, any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys. Thanks. Bye.